If you've made it to this final video, you already know this isn't about tubs. It's about the people we love. It's about staying home. It's about staying safe and staying human, no matter our age. And if you're wondering what I'd do if it were my own mother, well, I already had to answer that question. My mom and dad were living in the home my mother was born in. One day she fell in the bathtub trying to get out. She broke her hip. She was proud. She was independent. She didn't want help, but I'm telling you, that one fall changed everything. It marked the beginning of the end of my mother's life. It marked the beginning of a new focus and vision on my father's aging process, and it marked the beginning of a new passion and purpose in my life. We experienced my mom's hospital, rehabs, adverse drug reactions, the fact that I learned that a $40 grab bar would have prevented my mother's fall from happening, an investment I didn't make. I still have to live with that to this day. And I have that voice in my head that still says, why didn't I do more before it was too late? That's the moment I decided to dedicate my life to helping other families not go through what my family did. So if it were my mother today, I'd start with the checklist. I'd look for trained, certified safe bathing specialists. And I'd look for contractors who truly worked for me and understood what was in my best interest and what I needed. And I'd make sure the person who installs my tub actually gives a damn. Not the flashiest tub, not the most expensive, not the least expensive, the one that makes her feel safe. That's what I would do. This is one of those moments where what you choose actually changes the next 10, 20 years of your life or someone you love's life. It's not just about avoiding a fall. It's about preserving freedom, dignity, and the ability to say, I can take care of myself, and the ability to say, I can take care of myself. Do you have any idea how empowering that is to individuals who are aging and fear losing their independence? You don't need to rush. You don't need to figure it all out right now, but you do need someone that you can trust, someone who'll tell you the truth and walk with you through the decision process. If you want real guidance, not a sales pitch, click the link below, give us a call. We'll have a real conversation and we'll help you figure out what's best for you, whatever that is.